don't really know what I'm doing, so if you're like a bread specialist, don't have too high expectations. Hello everyone, welcome back to Leah's Field Notes. Today I am Leah and today we're going to be baking a bread outfit. Yes, not only are we going to be making our food, like in my last video I made some dumplings and balls of wrappers, we're going to be also wearing and then eating our food, because whoever said don't play with your food, they don't like to have fun, so whatever. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen some of my recent breadatorials. They have been super fun, creative outlets for me. People have asked if I plan my shoots. I don't. I feel like I work best creatively when I don't pre-plan too much, because I'm someone who overthinks a lot and that usually just renders me into not doing anything. So today we're going to be using a unbleached flour, which I haven't used before. I usually use all-purpose, so I don't know how that'll go, but we're going to be doing, well, so far I think we'll be doing sunglasses, a bra top, and maybe a little bag, or maybe even earrings. That would be cool. Let's bring our attention to the table and get started. Oh wait, I need to consult you about an idea that I had. I've been using this giant canvas tote bag. Before bed, I had this idea to do, can you see this? I want to screen print a bunch of bags with this little bread drawing that says breadwinner, but I don't know if anyone will like it except for me, so if you do want one, it'll be on a huge, massive, natural canvas tote bag. I'm thinking of doing the outlines in black or like a dark royal blue. Everyone has regular totes, but I feel like the large tote looks so much cooler with your outfit, and like I bring this out, I do my groceries, I go to a bookstore, I put a picnic blanket to read in the park after, like, it's amazing. Sorry, back to baking. Let's just lower this little buddy down. Let's start baking, babies. These are the ingredients you'll need. Now let's put it all together. Here we have 8 grams of active yeast. This is not instant yeast, so we need to activate it ourselves. I'm worried this might be too hot. While we wait for the water to cool down, let's have a little tea break. 1 large date, chrysanthemum flower, and several small goji berries. 很清火，特别适合这种超级热的天气。I don't know if this actually helps, but... And we'll leave that for about like 5 minutes until we see the yeast start to flour. 2 teaspoons of baking soda mixed with 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Just kidding, this was 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of warm water. And then in our large bowl, I already put in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 3 cups of flour, a 1/3 cup of sugar. I definitely should have used a bigger bowl, but this was the only glass one I had. You might not need all of this, but now we're going to start kneading. There's no AC in this whole entire house. And now we're gonna let it rise for 2 hours, or just until the bread has doubled in its size. Look at that beauty. She really grew. Isn't it magical? Once you get your bread out, you're gonna wanna punch in. Oh, wanna punch out all of the air. Flour your surface. I'm gonna put it back in the bowl and put the cloth over it so it doesn't dry out. I don't really know what I'm doing, so don't have too high expectations. This cutting board smells like onions. Maybe I shouldn't have kneaded it so much, because it's kind of dense now. I feel like I undid all of the rising. Oh no, what's going on? It's fine. Everything's going to be fine. Life, it's never what you expect it to be. 3 strands is enough? Or 4? How am I gonna do this? I have these 2 clay bowls that I want to use as like a mold. Obviously my boobs are not this big, but I just want to use like the curvature of this here. That's kind of cute. Okay, now. Oh my god, this one's so ugly. This is gonna be the part that is the glasses. Can you see? We're gonna put them here so the ends can drip off on the sides. That's pretty good, right? Oh golly. I'm going to make bread Majuri hoops. Filming and making bread sculptures is really a lot more stressful than just me doing it by myself. So for the 4, you just have to go like, make it into a lattice of sorts. This is under, so we're gonna put it over. This is also currently under, putting it over, and just following this sequence. This under, over, under, over. I don't really know what I'm doing, guys. The bread does expand some more after you set it for a while. I think bread, like making art, is any type of creative trial. You never know what you're going to end up with. You don't know if you'll succeed or fail. The only way to know is if you try. It's been nice to take a break from doing graphic design and do something that's more tactile. I find it's a lot more therapeutic for me when I'm not filming it. I'm gonna cover it back up for a second rise. They've pretty much finished rising, stayed in their forms for the most part, which is good. Yeah, so let's pop these babies into the oven and I will get back to you soon. So I changed the top. Instead of doing the 2 bowls, I just put a dish on top, mini bag of our hoop earrings and our glasses. It keeps sliding off to the side. Oh god, I hope they both fit. Oh no, 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 no. I forgot to coat my bread with any toppings or coconut oil, so I took it out. I feel like something that probably really fucked with the baking process. So yeah, today's just a real fun mess of a baking time. And these glasses are really falling apart. Oh no. Cumin? Oregano? I think my favorite topping is probably just like savory with everything on it. Let's pop the bread back in. Okay, just a little update. Our glasses are not doing well. It's totally fallen through. Really not looking so hot, but what can you do? Every day at 7:30 p.m. on the street, there's a house that performs. So this is what you'll be hearing outside right now. Wow, this is like a great eye massager. So much for a breadatorium. Oh well, at least we can eat it. Pretty good.
This is the one that I just salted. Really nice.
A few people did ask, do I eat these? And yes, I do. I do eat them. I eat all of them. Nothing goes to waste. The gap is too big. Just like sit it on top of it here, maybe. Oh, it could be a septum piercing.
Not like a ring.
It's so cute. This one I'm so happy with.
Okay, bra. Man. Oh god. Oh my god, I just ripped it off. Fuck. It's actually my turn to make dinner for the house tonight, so I'm just gonna show up with this bread bra.
This video did not turn out the way I thought it would. We kind of did it, right?
I'm so sorry, guys. Just imagine this.
Despite our failures, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for spending some time with me. I really appreciate it. If you want another more successful trial, we can do it again. Perhaps be a bit less ambitious with our bread baking. We can just do some buns next time and connect it with string, which I have seen people do for croissants. So yeah.